So guys, today I'm showing how to update Mullvad browser, but don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Mullvad browser tutorials. So open Mullvad browser, click on free. That's on the right side bar. This will open the menu, click on settings, and over to general and scroll down a little bit until you find here Mullvad browser updates. So we're getting the on version 15. So click on show update history to show off of this result and to update on the browser. Just click on check for updates. So make all the browser is checking for updates. So in our case it's up to date. But if it is now not updated, for the button update, click on it to update your Mullvad browser or keep this option on to automatically install updates. So this is recommended in Mullvad browser. Now this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.